Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Gentle Giant. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a YouTube account. If you've never done it before, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get to it. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. I'll just load the computer up and I'll show you on screen how to do it. Open your web browser on your computer or your mobile app, and in the search bar type YouTube. In the next screen, click YouTube. Go over to the top right hand corner and click Sign In, which is blue. It will open a new window again. I already have an account, so click Use Another Account. It wants you to sign in a new window. Create an account. For my personal use. You can type in your name, your last name, click next, your date of birth, which month you were born, the day you were born, and the year you were born, and select your gender. If you already have an email address, type it in this search bar here. If you haven't got an email, click Get a Gmail instead. In this next window, type in the email address you would like to create. If it isn't available, when you click next, it'll tell you, and then try again. This one isn't available, so I typed in a different one. In this next window, create a strong password for yourself. Once you've created your password, click Next. Now it wants you to verify some information before you can create an account. Now you need to scan the QR code with your phone. So open the Photo app on your phone and scan this QR code with your phone. Here's an image of my phone scanning the QR code. It wants you to verify your phone number, which is highlighted here, verify. This may take a few moments. Return to the other device on your PC. You can add a recovery email, or you can just skip this part. Now, to review your account, you can click the Next button, choose your settings, read through all these settings. At the bottom, click Accept All. Confirm all your settings. Read all of this. Read through privacy and terms. Scroll all the way down and click I agree. And there you have it. You've created your first YouTube channel.